Hello viewers, this video is regarding economy of Pakistan. And this video we will discuss the GDP growth rate of last 3 years and inflation on per capita income of Pakistan. While in this video we will also discuss Pakistan economy in terms of South Asian comparison. We will discuss complete detail of GDP per capita, GDP growth and inflation of all South Asian countries. The GDP growth rate of Pakistan during 2021 was 5.7%. During 2022 it was 6%, while in current year GDP growth rate of Pakistan is 0.6%, and the forecast for GDP growth rate of Pakistan for the coming year of 2024 it will be 2%. Inflation rate in Pakistan during 21 was 8.9%. During 22 it was 12.2%, while in the current year inflation rate in Pakistan is 27.5%, while the forecast for inflation in the upcoming year of 2024 is 15%. GDP per capita of Pakistan during 2021 was 3.7%, during 2022 was 5.4%, while in current year GDP per capita GDP growth rate was 0.1%, and the forecast for the coming year is 1.4%. Now come to the growth rate of all South Asian countries. GDP growth rate during 2023 in the South Asian countries will be discussed. In the 2023, Maldives GDP growth rate was highest in the South Asian countries, which was 7.1%, while India is the second highest GDP growth rate in South Asia during 2023. India has 6.4% GDP growth rate, while Bangladesh has 5.3% and stand at third position. Bhutan has 4.6% GDP growth rate during 2023. Nepal has 4.1%. Pakistan has 0.6%, while Sri Lanka has -3% GDP growth rate, and Afghanistan has no data regarding GDP growth rate. The inflation during 2023 at South Asian countries is under. Pakistan has the highest inflation rate during the current year. Pakistan inflation is 27.5%. Sri Lanka is the second one with 24.6%. Bangladesh 8.7%. Nepal 7.4%. Bhutan 5.5%. India 5.0%. Maldives 4.5%, and Afghanistan again have no data. GDP per capita. Per capita GDP growth rate of South Asian countries during current year. India is the highest in terms of GDP per capita growth rate. India has 5.2% growth rate, while Bangladesh has 4.1% growth rate. Bhutan has 3.8%. Nepal has 2.9%, and Maldives has 2.8%, while Pakistan GDP growth rate was 0.5%. Although it is mentioned here 0.1%, but the actual GDP growth rate of Pakistan is 0.5 or 0.6% for the current year, while Sri Lankan GDP growth rate was -3.3%, and Afghanistan again has no data. Please like video and subscribe my channel for such type of informative videos. Thank you.